When kicking off a kitchen renovation, accurate measurements are super important. You'll need a good tape measure or laser measure, a pencil, a piece of paper, and if you have a printer handy, a copy of the Kaboodle planning grid to help record all your measurements. The first step is to sketch your kitchen. Take your Kaboodle planning grid and draw a rough plan of your existing layout from overhead. Mark up any doors, windows, plumbing, and power points. Then, using another planning grid, draw up a front view of each wall. Remember, you're measuring the space, not the existing cabinetry. Start with the horizontal measurements. Measure the full distance of each wall, even the areas where there isn't currently any cabinetry. Then measure the walls with windows, including the window length and the space between any windows. Measure from the outside of the window frame. Be sure to factor in the thickness of your splashback to your overall horizontal measurement. Measure the door frames from the outside edge of the frame. Check for any other wall obstacles like light switches or pillars and posts. Next, we'll measure the vertical distances. Record the distance between your floor and ceiling. If there is a bulkhead, measure this separately. Then, measure the height of the floor to the bottom of the window, the height of the window, and the height of any doorways. Where possible, repeat your horizontal and vertical measurements 600mm in from the wall. This will help identify if there are any uneven walls or floors. Finally, let's measure the surfaces, such as the range hood ducting, plumbing, and other utilities. Mark down where any incoming and outgoing plumbing is for the sink, gas and electrical for the cooktop and oven, plus any additional power points. Whether you're replacing appliances or using existing ones, it's always good to have the appliance dimensions handy, so don't forget to write down the height, width, and depth. Make sure you always leave enough space for your appliances. You can find all the specifications in the manufacturer's instructions. If you prefer to have someone do it all for you, book an in-home consultation with a Bunnings kitchen consultant. Now you've got your measurements, bring your kitchen to life in the 3D Kaboodle planner. Use your sketch to help create your room in 3D and form a floor plan for your new design.